Alright, what's good YouTube? It's your boy ColWorld TV back with another video, man. How y'all doing? So for today, I'm gonna bring to y'all another monkey app part 3. And I got my boy featured in this.
What's up?
Yourself?
Well, y'all, I'm James.
We got James in the
Straight from the Himalayas.
Alright, so last monkey app video, you guys was messing with it. That shit did numbers, kids. So we about to bring a part 3 for you guys. So we're gonna do a rate 1 through 10.
Let's get it.
So we're gonna see what these joints is talking about.
Word.
Shorties, all that stuff.
Alright.
We're gonna see if they think we can snack or whatever. But so.
What?
Alright.
I'm a dinner plate.
I think he's a whole dinner plate.
I'm a dinner plate. What you mean?
Shit, alright. So I'm gonna put the little screen record ready. Alright. So yeah, we're gonna see what these joints is talking about, man. Yo, what's up? Yo, where you at? Yo, ask for time though. We what? At time.
Word.
Your friend? Where's your
She
friend?
said, hell no.
Okay. Yo. Alright. Yo, alright.
Wait, what? She talking
You trying to
about?
roast us?
I don't know what she's talking about the boat. I'm from New York, so.
He's from New York. You.
What is that?
Oh shit, she does. What she do? Yo, alright. Yo, can you rate us on a scale of 1 to 10? Yo, rate both of us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Send you a text?
Send me a text.
She talking.
Yo, just rate us 1 to 10. What are you talking about? Alright. Rate me and him 1 to 10.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm confused. Hold up. So she was not gonna rate us unless we sent her a text. We don't even know her.
It's a simple question.
What is going on here?
What's wrong with people thinking, man? Shit. Come on, the next one. Shit. Now, beauty, wow. Yo, what's up?
Yeah.
Where?
Why the fuck you lying?
Yeah.
Bro, you don't even live here. What you
Time.
talking about?
Time.
Yeah.
One of the books in there right now. What's one of the books in there right now then? Without looking at it.
Well, I have. What? I can't look. Well, alright. So I have dosage.
Name one of the books.
Dosage instructions because I was studying.
You guys know.
I was studying pre-med
man.
at a certain point in my life. Well, right now I'm studying computer science. You know what I'm saying? I left pre-med. You feel me?
Computer science.
Yeah.
Alright. Anyway,
Add us as a friend too. Add us as a friend
Add
too.
us.
Black woman. Hello.
Add us as a friend. You look mad.
yeah,
cute,
add me though.
too. Okay.
Alright.
Lit.
This king right here in the jean jacket.
Hold up. Let me
Okay.
let me take the phone. Alright.
Oh, you.
So what's up? You look cool with them glasses. I see you shining.
Oh, we gotta get to the top.
Oh, it's frozen. The phone's frozen. Nah, it's her connection, bro. Oh, damn.
Still alive? What'd you do? Damn, we lost it. Yo, hold on. Oh, damn. Yo.
My fault. My bad.
Nah, it's all good. It's all good. Oh. Alright. We gonna get her.
Why the phone freezing?
What's poppin'? Whoa. Oh. What up?
Why you swipe out, bro?
Yo, she's a youngin', bro. What?
For real?
No, she looks like a.
You got some good eyes, man.
Yo.
Shoot. Man.
She was on my lollipop, like. I'm gonna add that shit in the video. I'm gonna add that shit in the video, kid. Fuck it.
And
man,
I was about to get the craziest rating, then this girl had Boost Mobile connection.
Man,
so
if we don't get no ratings, I might retitle the video to like trolling on a monkey app or something like that.
Oh snap.
Yo.
Darkness.
I see them little black, yo, shit. Yo.
Hey yo,
time.
You got some light up in there?
At time.
Come on, Rihanna forehead. Oh, she's tired.
Boy, yo.
Life goes on.
Yeah.
Life goes
Fuck
on.
it. She was not having it.
My girlfriend takes it.
Yo.
Hello.
What's poppin'?
¿Cómo está?
Yo, at time.
Can you show your face?
At time.
What is going on over here?
At time. Damn, yo. She...
Come on, look like Miss Doubtfire. Oh man.
Nah, she was ugly anyways.
I thought that was your tape.
Hell no.
Oh damn.
Hell no.
I was mistaken.
Don't even try to pick me like that.
But anything. And you know what I'm saying, man. We just trying to get a rating from 1 to 10, man. But it's not working, my friend. So I don't know what we're gonna do. But it's looking mighty slow right now.
Damn.
We're gonna get there though. We're gonna get there.
Oh, we got somebody.
We got somebody. What?
Oh, nigga.
Hold up.
Hold up.
What?
Look at these goofy ass niggas, bro. Oh.
Yo, ad time, damn it.
Hold up.
Ad time, damn it. You ain't gonna hop on here time.
Look at Chief keep looking at
Shit, why you trying to roast, bro? Show some love. Yo, give me the phone, man. Yo, what's up? Yo, what's up, yo? Y'all can spit bar? What? Come on, Lauren Hill looking like Chief Keef. Come on, get out of here with your corny, crusty, doodle braids looking at.
Yo.
Look like old.
Damn.
Chill, Erica Badu in the face ass. What you doing? Take that hair wrap off. What you doing? Boy, get out of here.
Yo, that's wild, yo. Man. Hold up. That was funny, yo.
Trying to roast us. Get out of here.
That was a whole nigga.
Get out of here. I'm undefeated. I'm the roasting champion. You know what I'm saying?
Yo. Okay.
What's up, yo?
Poppin'.
Because I grew my hair out, so I don't need it no more. You feel me?
Can you add some time?
Yo, add time, yo. Oh, you want me to cut my hair?
Yeah, you can cut that.
For real? Should I put my hat on to make it better? Alright, I got you.
Oh shit, you better put on the
I got
thing,
you.
yo.
I got you.
Alright.
My fault. Pretty young thing, my fault. Alright, what's your name though?
Yeah, better.
What's your name?
Sorry.
Tori, I'm James. I like your smile, it's beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah. Why you laughing for?
Yo, ask them the question.
Alright, I got a question for you, alright? Answer it with all honesty, alright?
Yeah, we got a question for y'all.
Rate me from 1 to 10.
Well, rate us.
Rate us from 1 to 10. Me first.
Oh yeah, add some more time.
Add time, yo.
Add some more time. Yep, there you go.
The other one?
Alright.
Yeah, you like the 6.
What?
Wait,
Why is it? Why is
my
it?
rating? What's my rating?
What?
What's my rating though?
You said what?
What's my rating though?
7.
7? I'll take that.
What?
I'll take
How
that.
you get more, yo?
I'll
That's
take that.
That
You know
was
what I'm
wild.
saying? You're not too shabby yourself. I'll give you a 7 too. You feel me? Nah, add me as a friend though on here. Add me as a friend on here. Nope. Oh, word? Why you lying for?
Why the fuck you lying?
He's bluffing. Come on.
Hey.
Why you bluffing for?
That's a little bit
He's
of
bluffing.
That's crazy.
Come on with your
Why
lungs.
am I, yo, let me talk to them. Because
Come on.
Hold up, why am I at 6?
Why is he a 6?
Wait, who? Who said 5? I'm a. Nah, that don't make no sense, yo. That's it. That don't wild, yo. Woo! Man, you got a W on that one.
I got a W.
Shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Shit.
All W's, no L's.
Oh, alright. Another drawing from Texas. Okay. Let's see what the Texas drawing is talking about. What's good? Oh, that's what a man, yo.
You said, ah.
Yo.
Hey, my friend.
Yo, sorry.
My friend.
Add time.
My friend.
Oh, damn. Hell.
You
This is what we-
finesse real quick. Oh, what's up?
You're saying, yo, this thing is forever to find something.
Yo, shut up, bro. She's talking. What you say?
What the?
You like Lorenzo.
Oh, add time.
That time, yo. I'm like a what?
You look like Lorenzo.
Lorenzo.
Good.
Alright.
Who is that?
Lorenzo. I'm good, you? I wish I could see your pretty face, but you in the dark, so I don't think that's happening.
Put it on
It's
your
probably
TV.
bedtime. You probably got work in the morning. I don't know, but anyway, I got a question for you. All right? You gonna answer? All right. Rate me from 1 to 10.
What us?
You are
What?
10?
I'm a 10. Are you serious? Okay.
Oh, add some more time.
Add more time.
Add some more time, shorty.
Add more time. Thank you.
Okay.
Don't make me blush now. Don't make me blush, alright? Rate my boy, alright?
Alright, what do I get? 1 out of 10.
You are a 10. Because you have a face, you could be one of those movie actors.
Oh, you could be an actor?
Oh, actor? Okay.
Okay.
Alright. So a few people said I was like, I don't know, either Gambino or Tyler the Creator or something like that. But
Wait.
Celebrity, okay. I mean, she gave me a 10.
You got Snapchat? I feel you.
I feel it.
I feel you. Sometimes it be like that.
Yeah, it would be like that.
Whoa. For real?
says
That's crazy. That's like that on this app? Because I haven't used this app before. Like, this is my first time.
Why the fuck you lying?
Wow.
Oh, damn.
Yo, alright. So that's a tie.
It's a tie? Man.
Alright.
Watch him get more W's than this guy. He's gonna have so much
Actually, you
more.
got like 1 up. Technically.
For real?
Yeah.
Technically.
You got 2, I got 1.
Alright.
Yeah.
Shout out to the
That's
bro
insane,
Colbert, you
yo.
feel me? My
Yeah.
boy Colbert's doing his thing.
Hell
Come
yeah.
on, you gotta support the boy.
Hell yeah. Subscribe.
You know what
Subscribe.
Super
like,
lit.
share.
That's why I'm over here with my boy Colbert, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we on that grind, getting that work done.
Yeah, nah, I'm not on that grind. He's on that grind. Don't
Nah,
mistake me.
nah, we
Don't
are.
mistake it. I'm not
We
on
are.
that grind right now. He's on that grind.
Nah,
You feel me?
Alright.
He's working. I'm just, you know what I'm saying? I just want to be a part of the, you know,
Yeah.
the whole movement, the ColWorld TV movement. You feel me?
For the culture.
Yo, I want y'all to answer this question though while you watching this video in the comments. Who looks better from the show Martin? That show aired in the 90s. It's a classic, and if you don't know what Martin is, then I don't know what to tell you. You just live under a damn rock. But anyway, who look better, Gina or Pam? Put it in the comments. I know the damn answer, and if y'all say, you know what, I would have given away the answer right there, but I'm not gonna say nothing. But anyway, Gina or Pam, you know what I'm saying? And I'll cash app, you know what I'm saying, the first person to get the right answer, I'll cash app you $5. I'm not even playing.
You gonna cash
I am not playing.
You send it for cash app.
$5, that's it.
$5. You got another one. Alright, she's gonna connect, okay. Yo.
What's up? Let me
hold the cam. No.
Let me hold the cam, yo. You wanna see me or you wanna see him?
Yo, add time. Add some time.
You wanna see this brother or you wanna see me?
Okay.
I'm about to sing to you, right?
You need to see your face.
Stuff. I'm from New York, but we live in Rhode Island.
We in Rhode Island.
He's originally. Let me see. Let me see.
My nigga.
Oh, she said, "Oh, whatever." What oh, whatever mean?
We could get shit. We could. All
right
straight.
now.
All right, we could get straight to it. All right.
All right now. Let me see the phone first.
All right. So
let me see the phone first. Come on, they want to see me. All right. Let me talk to them. Let me put it in the middle. Hold up. All right, ladies.
Rate us on a scale of 1 to 10.
Nah, you know what? Just to make.
Why you mad? Why is you mad?
Look what you did, man. All I need was the damn phone. See what ColWorld's doing to me? He's messing up my pool. Come on, man.
That's wild, kid. Yo, they just skipped right out the video. Bruh.
Man, I'm done, man. I can't do this no more. I give up. I can't do it. I can't do it no more.
Bro, where you going?
Man, shut up.
What the? Where you going?
I don't care.
Somebody. What's up?
Hi.
What's good?
Oh, she's smoking that
What's
dope.
up? Goldilocks.
Yo, add some time. I had a question for you. Alright, can you rate
him first.
Alright,
him first.
Rate me on a scale of 1 to 10.
His black ass.
10.
Oh, 10. Okay. Alright, what about my boy right here?
Let me see what you gonna rate me.
Hold up.
Let me come up here real fast. What's up? What you rate me?
What's up?
Wait, what rating will you give me?
11.
What?
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Billy Rock, hey, Billy.
Yeah, I can.
You can't?
Shit. I can.
Man, you're not nice with it. Damn. Alright, guys, so that's it for the video right here. So, I mean, we didn't get too many ratings, but I mean, we kind of messed around with it a little bit. So,
it was still smooth though.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video that we got for y'all. Also, check out his Instagram. I'm gonna put it down below in the description. He got some dope content on IG, man.
It's big _ game.james. Alright?
Yep. So, if y'all enjoyed this video, smack that like button. Comment down below your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel for more future videos. Turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a single video. And it's your boy ColWorld TV signing off.
And shout out.
Peace.
To my zone. I'm in the field with my ace. Well, let's get it. I'm in the field with my ace.
600.
In the kitchen cooking curry. Whip it. 30 on me, I ain't worried. With my Zoe, you a rat. Cool cat, make him scurry. Haitian flag on the chopper. Stop, I say to all my Haitians. My first blood call me Light Zone. I run with the pack, want to pay.